Tired of the participants panel blocking your screen in Webex? Learn how to hide it in seconds and reclaim your view. So you're in an important meeting, sharing a slide or looking at a detailed document, and right there on the right side of the screen is the participants panel, taking up precious real estate. It's distracting, and it's covering stuff you need to see. I've been there more times than I can count. The good news is, you can get rid of it in just a few clicks. I'll show you exactly where to click to hide and show the panel, so you can focus on what matters. All right, first things first, you'll need to be in a Webex meeting. Whether you started one yourself or you've joined someone else's, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you're in the meeting window itself. This trick works the same way no matter who's hosting. Now, before we hide it, let's make sure the participants panel is actually open. You'll see it on the right-hand side of the screen. If it's already there, great. If not, don't worry. We'll get to how to bring it back later. But for now, if you don't see that list of names and icons on the right, just look at the bottom toolbar for a button that says Participants and give it a click. That will pop the panel open. And trust me, once you know how to toggle it, you'll be using this constantly. So here's where the magic happens. Look down at the very bottom of your meeting window. That's your main meeting toolbar. It has all the usual stuff: mute, video, share screen, and so on. But on the far right side of that toolbar, there's a small button with two little overlapping rectangles. It's pretty subtle, actually. That's the Hide Participants Panel button. Go ahead and click it. And just like that, the Participants panel slides away. The screen feels instantly bigger. Your content, whether it's a presentation, a spreadsheet, or someone's video feed, now has that whole space back. It feels much cleaner and way less cluttered. This is one of those things that once you know, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Now, if you ever need to see the participants panel again, don't panic. It's just as easy. Look back at that same bottom toolbar. You'll see a button that says Participants with a little icon of a person. Give that a click. And there it is. The panel comes right back. It's a two-way street. Click once to hide, click again to show. Simple, right? There's also a keyboard shortcut if you're a fan of keeping your hands on the keyboard. On Windows, you can press Alt, then Shift, then W. On a Mac, it's Option, then Shift, then W. That does the exact same thing, toggles the participants panel on and off. I find it especially handy when I'm sharing my screen and don't want to hunt for the button. Just a quick key combo and the panel disappears. Now, let's talk about one little hiccup you might run into. What if you click the Hide button and nothing happens? That can be frustrating, but it's usually a simple fix. First, check if your meeting has a waiting room or if you're viewing someone else's shared screen. Sometimes, when you're not the host or when certain meeting features are in use, that Hide button can be a little unresponsive. If that's the case, just click the main meeting window to make sure it's active. Sometimes Webex just needs that little nudge. And if all else fails, try pressing the keyboard shortcut I just mentioned. That often does the trick, even when the button feels stuck. And that's really all there is to it. From a cluttered, distracting screen to a clean, focused view in seconds. I hope this helps you get a little more out of your next Webex meeting. Thanks for watching.